US crude started the week on a bearish note and now trading at 69.5. At the same time, my favorite NG is again trading bullish and it's now close to critical resistance levels at 2.38, 2.4. So now what to expect, which position you should take in order to profit trading crude oil and net gas today? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. This is the first update for the day. The second update will be released before the US do was that also in this update first we'll look into crude followed with NG. So to watch till the end, you can also remain updated by joining my free telegram channel. Link are mentioned in the channel and video description. Let's start. Now see crude on the hourly chart. Certainly you can see these two candles, one big bearish candle and then modest bearishness is seen. Certainly bearishness has diminished here. Any drop below 69.4, yes, you can sell there. Below 69.4 we can expect a good drop for 68.8 and below level. Now right now it is trying to recover. How far it can stretch? Any buy entry is anyways above 70.2, below beyond which you can expect 70.5 levels, and certainly above which little more bullishness can be expected. Now if you look at the hourly chart, certainly after this consolidation this is traded bearish and now you can see it is trying to create a channel of its own. The highs are at 71. Remember the day is long, it can still show you good swings throughout this day on the upside till 71, 71.5 levels. I will not, rather I will say till 72. I will not consider this as bullish. Only if it trades above 72 we can expect that it is going to rise. Stochastic back to oversold. The MACD is bearish. It is trading almost at bottom and it is just trying to consolidate here, but it does not mean that it cannot stress the drop. It can stress the drop here. RSI almost at bottom, and if you look at 2 hour, now look at 2 hour charts. This is the bearish channel in which it is trying to trade. This time it is just shying away from the bottom. 69.4, 68.8, these are the two levels which I will be looking forward to. Any drop below 68.8 will bring more bears out there. And remember 71.8, 72 is the only level beyond which a reversal confirmation is there. Right now I will recommend you to buy here at 70.2, expect 70.5, 71 and then 71.5, 71.8 as the next targets. But till 72 you have to strictly ensure that you are trading with a trailing stop loss, or at least put the stop loss at your entry price such that you should not lose your capital. Stochastic is at bottom and is trading consistently oversold. The MACD is also trading bearish with divergence, and you can see this is a good losing streak so far. But one point to remember, see the slope here and the slope here are different, which means that the bearishness is there. However, it is trading with a modest bearish bias. The bullishness was extreme. The bearishness here is not so, you can say, extreme, and hence the recovery chances are there. The MACD, RSI again trading at bottom. If you look at 3 hour chart, now look at 3 hour chart, certainly almost at bottom here. Also if you look at the candle size here and here, the bearishness certainly getting diminished. However, if it stays below 69.4, more bearishness may prevail. A reversal confirmation if it trades above 70.2, 70.5 zone and specifically 71.5, 71.8 levels, more bullishness may prevail there. Stochastic oversold. The MACD on the 3 hour charts is still bearish, and the same observation what we carried on the 2 hour charts still hold good. See the slope here different, and hence there is a potential for bullishness. RSI again looking down, trying to trade bearish. If you look at 4 hour, now on the 4 hour chart, see all the three moving averages are trading with divergence. Certainly good resistance exists here. And if you look at the movement on the 4 hour chart, see the retracement, then this drop, the retracement, and see at this point I told you it has formed the handle for the glass. It can try to form your champagne glass formation, and that is what has happened. But yes, the highs are not at par with the previous highs, and the slope is also different. Now also if you look at the 4 hour chart, see this candle size diminishing here, indicating that the bearishness is getting diminished, and hence any rise above 71.5, 72 should be a call for reversal. Stochastic is oversold, MACD is bearish, RSI at bottom. And if you look at the daily, now see on the daily chart it appears it has taken a direction which is bearish in nature. Also if you see the previous candle, you can find there is a good pullback is seen here. And yes, the new candle on this chart is yet to start for the day. Possibly it may start on a flat note and then we can see a recovery from there. So till 69.4 at least you should not sell, and yes, a buy entry above 70.2 levels is a good indication for you to stay long for 70.5, 71, 71.5, 70.8 levels. Stochastic oversold. MACD is still bearish. This is a long bearish streak which we had seen on MACD for oil. RSI looking down. So considering this, sell at 69.4, buy at 70.2 for this 80 cents. Do not trade oil. And on the downside, 68.8 first support, and then below that we may see a good drop for 68.4, 68 levels, which is the next strongest support, and below that it is going to crash heavily. Remember, the day is long. If it is on a bull trend right now, it can again reverse the trend throughout this day. 16 hours of trading is left. More than 16 hours of trading is left. There could be spikes with the EU session and with the US session, and hence you should trade with the trailing stop loss. On the upside, you can buy at 70.2 levels till 72. Do not consider this as bullish. Take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at net. And before we proceed to net gas, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. 22nd batch starts on first week of June, that is 1st of June precisely. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my signals group where trading as per the signals, definitely you can benefit. Now let's have a look at net gas. See, on the early charts it consolidated here. Then this is strong breakout, again trying to consolidate it. And now if it stays above 2.39, yes, I will say rather 2.42 levels, but then you can buy here at 2.39 itself. Expect it to rise for 2.4, 2.42 levels, the next resistance, and beyond that anyways it is going to fly high. Now see, it has shown a very good support on the downside at 2.36, and hence this is the level only below which I will recommend you to in between 2.36, 2.39. Let's be watchful. Now remember, on the early charts you have seen a good candle, good bullish candle. There can be a liquidity gap, and hence a little retracement cannot be. And as I shared in the weekly analysis, till 2.2 I will not consider this as bearish. Now see the stochastic rising. The MACD on the other hand is extremely bullish. It is trying to converge crossover for a sell. And on the early charts it appears it has seen the peak out there. Hence you should be watchful here. RSI trading very near to the overbought. Now look at 2-hour charts, trading with divergence, trading bullish here. Even if it tries to retrace 2.32, 2.3, 2.28 levels, very good support exists there. And yes, that is why I say if you see trading below 2.36 you can sell, but for 2.34, 2.32, 2.3, 2.28 till 2.28 every 2 cents there is a very good support. But right now if you look at, see, after giving it 3, you can say, bearish candles, it is trying to break out, and that is why I say beyond 2.39 you can buy here and expect it to rise for 2.42 levels, and beyond 2.42 certainly more bullishness can prevail. However, look at the Bollinger Bands. 2.4 levels are also very good resistance. Stochastic at top, MACD is bullish, it is still divergent, but the candle size have flattened, which is saying that the bullishness is diminished here. RSI near to overbought levels. If you look at 3-hour charts also, it is trading outside Bollinger Bands, and hence a little retracement cannot be denied. But then also till 2.28 at least we should not consider this as bearish. Also, if you look at it, it started to trade with divergence on the moving averages, which is a bullish sign. Stochastic at near to overbought, MACD divergent and bullish, RSI near to overbought. And if you look at 4 hour, you see on the 4-hour charts it is potentially signaling a reversal here. 2 candles with a red body and a very long tail, and this time it is trying to trade above. Certainly beyond 2.39 we can see it trading till towards 2.42 levels, the next resistance, and beyond that certainly more bullishness may prevail. Stochastic near to overbought, MACD divergent and bullish, but the candle size is flattened here, indicating that yes, it is bullish, but the aggression in the bullishness is diminished. RSI trading near to the overbought zone, and if you look at the, now see, look at the daily charts, a flat bottom there, a tail is formed here. Possibly we can see it trading bullish from here. We can see it hitting 2.45, in fact 2.48, 2.5 levels cannot be denied here. It is trying to rise from here. Now see, after forming the base here, the rise here, the retracement here, the breakout here, hence this bullish breakout may continue. Stochastic looking upwards, MACD bullish, RSI flat. Considering this, I will recommend you to sell at 2.36 levels, but then remember 2.34, 2.32, 2.3, 2.28 till here, till 2.28 it is just a 2 cents trailing stop loss. You know it can ever almost every time it can try to bounce back and recover from there. It is not bearish till then, Below 2.28, little more bearishness for 2.25 and 2.2 levels can be seen, which is going to be the next milestones. Till there also, I will not consider this as bearish. I am very bullish on net gas. Possibly we are going to look forward to a rise, but it has to stay above 2.5, 2.6 zone in order to hit 2.83 levels. And right now, I will recommend you to buy at 2.39, expect 2.4 to 2.45 and 2.5 levels. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.